Today I am reviewing the Lefant LiDAR robot vacuum and mop combo. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Keeping floors clean is one of those household tasks that never truly ends. Dust shows up again, pet hair seems to multiply overnight, and somehow the floors always need attention right after you finish cleaning. That's exactly where robot vacuums are supposed to help, but not all of them actually deliver a hands-off experience. Today I'm reviewing the Lefant LiDAR robot vacuum and mop combo M2 Plus, a robot vacuum designed to go beyond simple automated cleaning. With features like LiDAR navigation, a self-emptying station that can go up to 75 days, 6000 Pascal suction power, mopping capability, multi-floor mapping, and smart home integration, this aims to be a complete floor cleaning system rather than just a small vacuum that bumps into furniture. After looking at everything this robot offers, there's a lot to like here. Starting with the biggest feature, the self-emptying station. One of the biggest complaints people have with robot vacuums is that they still require frequent maintenance. Emptying a tiny dustbin every day doesn't feel very automated. Lefant tries to solve that with its self-emptying dock. The M2 Plus comes with a bag-compatible station and includes two large 2.5-liter dust bags. Lefant claims this setup can support up to 75 days of hands-free cleaning depending on usage. That changes the experience dramatically. Instead of interacting with the vacuum after every cleaning session, the robot automatically empties itself into the station and stays ready for the next run. For busy households, families, pet owners, or anyone who simply forgets chores, this becomes one of the most useful upgrades. Now let's talk about cleaning performance. The M2 Plus features an impressive 6000 Pascal suction rating. That level of suction puts it well above entry-level robot vacuums and gives it enough power to handle daily debris, pet hair, dust, crumbs, and deeper carpet cleaning. On hard floors like hardwood, laminate, and tile, the pickup performance feels strong and efficient. What makes it even more useful is that this isn't only a vacuum. This is a 3-in-1 cleaning system. It sweeps, vacuums, and mops in a single unit. The robot includes a 250 milliliters dustbin and a 300 milliliters water tank, along with multiple suction and water flow levels so cleaning can be adjusted depending on the room. For everyday maintenance cleaning, this setup works well because you're not running separate devices for vacuuming and mopping. Another area where the M2 Plus stands out is navigation. Older robot vacuums often move randomly and miss areas or repeatedly clean the same spot. That's frustrating and wastes battery. Lefant uses 360-degree LiDAR navigation, which scans and maps the home with much more precision. The robot builds accurate layouts and intelligently plans cleaning paths instead of wandering around. Even better, it supports multi-floor mapping. If you live in a multi-level home, the robot can recognize different floors and maintain separate maps, reducing setup time and improving consistency. The app experience also deserves attention because this is where smart cleaning really becomes useful. Inside the Lefant app, users get extensive customization options. You can select individual rooms to clean, create custom schedules, adjust suction power, set cleaning frequency, divide or merge zones, and establish no-go areas. That means if you never want the robot entering a pet area, under a desk, or around fragile items, you can create boundaries directly in the app. This level of control makes the robot feel significantly more premium. Speaking of avoiding obstacles, the M2 Plus includes precision object detection technology with a wide detection angle designed to reduce collisions. It detects furniture and obstacles more effectively and works even under lower light conditions. For pet owners, this matters. Robot vacuums that constantly get tangled in toys, bowls, or pet-related clutter quickly become annoying. Lefant clearly focused on reducing interruptions and improving autonomous operation. Another smart feature is carpet detection and automatic suction boost. When the mop attachment is installed, the robot avoids carpets to prevent wet surfaces. When mopping isn't active, the robot automatically increases suction power when it detects carpet. That creates a smoother transition between different floor types without requiring manual adjustments. Battery life is also respectable. With up to 140 minutes of runtime, most apartments and average homes can complete a cleaning cycle without interruption. Larger homes may require recharge and resume functionality, but the overall runtime should satisfy most users. Connectivity is another surprisingly nice addition. Many smart devices still only support 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, but the M2 Plus supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. That makes setup easier and gives better flexibility depending on your home network. It also supports Alexa, app controls, and even smartwatch integration, giving multiple ways to manage cleaning schedules. So who is this robot vacuum best for? If you have pets, multiple rooms, busy schedules, or simply want to reduce daily cleaning effort, the Lefant M2 Plus offers a compelling package. The strongest points are definitely the self-emptying station, excellent suction power, intelligent LiDAR mapping, and the ability to vacuum and mop in one machine. It may not completely replace deep manual cleaning every single time, but for maintaining clean floors day after day, it handles a large portion of the work automatically. Overall, the Lefant LiDAR Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo M2 Plus feels like a modern robot vacuum focused on convenience and consistency rather than gimmicks. If your goal is cleaner floors with less effort and fewer interruptions, this is a model that deserves serious consideration.